why, but I have a bad feeling about this.
Chewhowie, what the hell does this doohickey do?
I saw something like this in a movie, but I don't know what the hell it is.
Oh, cool! Look at all the little lights. They're moving.
Let's go this way.
Are they still behind us?
Big Mom, Big Mom, Big Mom, Big Mom, Big Mom.
I see an exit over there.
Okay, Chewhowie. I'm gonna count to 3. You're gonna ease me down. Ease me down real slowly. Slow! Lasers. Oh.
Oh, who is that?
I got your message. I came right away.
Did I ask for a peeping Tom?
Look, if you're not satisfied, I can leave right now.
But I didn't say...
We have no time for babbling. Come on, get moving.
Listen, there's only one way out of here, and that's through the lasers.
Chewhowie, pull me up before my dick fries. Come on, hurry up. We don't have much time.
Wait for me.
Here's Coco. We gotta get out of here. Oh, shit! What a rush.
Since you came here, things didn't improve much.
Looks like we're in deep shit.
I don't think you really care about me at all.
Princess, I just want to know that you're safe in my arms.
What's happening?
Shit!
I don't know what.
There's gotta be another way out. Yes, this is it. No. But I think we should go now.
That's not funny. I thought you were dead.
Once again, I smell trouble.
Come on, let's go.
What's that smell? Chewhowie, is that you?
Guys, wait a minute. This is the worst time, but I gotta drop a load.
That's disgusting.
Hey, over my clean floor. Listen. Don't flush the toilet. I'm watching you. Don't flush the toilet. Alright, smartass? I'm watching you. My eyes on you. You hear me? Don't flush the toilet, babe.
Oh my God.
I don't think we're getting past these guards.
Great! Come on, guys, let's run for it.
Why are we still talking? So any idea what our next destination is?